today's equation we have to prove today. Before prove these two equations, we need a graph. We take y-axis as a velocity and x-axis as a time. Okay. O, C, A, D, B, E, this is final, this is initial, this is origin point, and this one is time. So, here is velocity and here is time. So, in previous lecture, we have same graph, and here also we prove these two equations with the help of this figure graph. So I have a graph in which there is some nomenclature are there, having OA is initial velocity, OE is final velocity, OC is time, and we draw AD is parallel to OC. It means that OC is equals to AD, and also OA is equals to CD. If you see this graph, you saw a type of shape. If you focus on O, A, B, C, if an object start its journey from O and it goes to O to A to B, B to C, and again C to O, then the distance covered by an object is equals to the area of OABC. OABC. Oh. So, if you see this shape of two-dimensional figure, which is a trapezium. What is trapezium? A trapezium is a figure in which two parallel lines are there. See carefully. OA and BC is parallel to each other. So two parallel sides are there in trapezium. So we need to find out the distance covered by an object. The distance is covered by an object is equals to the area of OABC. OABC. Okay. Which is the area of trapezium. Okay. If you see this trapezium, you also see one thing, which is OBD, which is triangle, and OACD or DC is a rectangle. So we can also write in this way, the area of trapezium, one trapezium is equals to area of triangle and plus area of rectangle. We know that the area of rectangle is area of triangle plus area of rectangle. Okay. S equals to, S is the distance covered by an object. Okay. So we know that the area of triangle is half into base into height plus area of rectangle is equals to length into breadth. See carefully. in this triangle, AD is a base and BD is a height of triangle. Okay. So we put the value of base, which is AD, and height BD, okay, plus length OC into breadth OA. Okay, if I write OA means CD. If I write OC means AD. This one and this one are equal. This one and this one are equal in any rectangle. Okay. We know that OC represents time. We know that OC represents time. And OA represent initial. OA represent initial velocity. So OA equals to initial velocity of an object. OC is equals to time. AD is also taken as time. And we know that the value of BD, in previous lecture we got the value of BD. BD is equals to AT. Now put the value of all of them, half into AD time BD AT plus OCU and time T. So this one plus this one, or this one plus this one, both are equal thing. Now we have UT plus half A. This T and this T become T square. And here this one is S. Now we have S is equals to UT